Dear students, today I am going to discuss about Newton's formula for speed of sound and Laplace correction. Class 11 Science, Physics, Chapter 15, Wave Motion. Newton's formula for speed of sound and Laplace correction. According to Newton, the sound propagates through air in the by the isothermal process. Sound propagates through air by isothermal process. So the speed of sound v equal to root over of k iso by rho. Iso means isothermal. Now what is k iso? Means bulk modulus. K iso is minus dp by dv by v. This is the expression for bulk modulus. According to Newton, sound propagates through air by isothermal process. So speed of sound is this. Now bulk modulus in isothermal process is this. Now in isothermal process, the equation of isothermal process is Pv equal to constant. So you differentiate this both sides by this formula. So if you differentiate, we get Pdv plus Vdp equal to 0. The differentiation of constant term is 0. Differentiation of constant term is 0. So this is constant, so it is 0. Now Pdv equal to minus Vdp. So from this P equal to minus Vdp by dv. So it can be written like this, minus dp by dv by v. From equation 2 and 3, what we get? You see these two are equal. So k iso is p. Therefore, from equation 2 and 3, what we are getting? K iso equal to P. So from equation 1, what we can write? P equal to, therefore from equation 1, what we can write? V equal to root over of K iso means P, P by rho. This is Newton's formula for speed of sound in according to isothermal process. This is Newton's formula for speed of sound. V equal to root over of P by rho. Clear? According to Newton, sound propagates through air by isothermal process. So this. And bulk modulus expression is this. Isothermal process means temperature constant. So Pv equal to constant. Differentiating both sides by this formula, we are getting this. So from this we find P. Now from 3 and 2, what we are getting? These two are equal. That means K iso equal to P. So convert this, change this P iso to P. Replace P K iso to P. So V equal to root over of P by rho. This is Newton's formula for speed of sound. But according to Laplace, this scientist, he said that sound propagates through air by adiabatic process, not by isothermal process. Adiabatic process means where there will be no exchange of heat. The process in which there will be no exchange of heat. This is the adiabatic process. According to Laplace, it is said that the sound propagates through air by adiabatic process. So V equal to adiabatic, K adiabatic by rho. Now what is K adiabatic? This will also be expression. This is bulk modulus expression. Now the equation of adiabatic process is P v to the power gamma, P v to the power gamma equal to constant. P v to the power gamma equal to constant. This expression you will get in thermodynamics. P v to the power gamma equal to constant. Now differentiate this by this formula. P and its differentiation will be gamma v to the power gamma minus 1 dV plus, this is constant, v to the power gamma dP equal to 0. Its expression is like this: d by dx of x to the power n equal to n x to the power n minus 1. By this formula we have done. N means gamma, इसके बाद x to the power n minus 1, gamma minus 1 dV. Same way P gamma equal to what will be? This will in the right side minus v to the power gamma dP by this term v to the power gamma minus 1 dV. Now you see, if you take this in the numerator,